Welcome you all to one more interesting session, and you are watching Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School's exclusive class for you. Children, in the previous session we have learnt for the sounds. PH WH TH SOUNDS sounds. So these sounds we have learned in the previous session. Yes, now today we are going to learn some more content. For that, take your phonics skill book and come to page number 3434. So children, I hope you have opened page number 3434. Take your pencil, sharp your pencil. Okay. Now if you will see, here one practice sheet is there. In this practice sheet, what is this? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. If you will see, children, here some pictures has given. In this practice sheet, these are the pictures, and if you will see in front of these pictures, these are the words. Yes, but if you will see this, in the beginning they have given some blank space. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to write the blending, or we can say digraph, which begins. Okay, so beginning words जो है, beginning letter we are going to write over here. Okay, but for that, now each picture, use your logic, think. Okay, use your logic, think, observe correctly. Why? Because these are the pictures. You are going to give me the answer correctly. Okay, because only beginning letters we are going to write over here. Yes, after writing the beginning letters, this word is going to complete. Then we will get a meaningful word. Okay, now children, tell me, which picture is this? Come on. Yes, this is a chair. Okay, so chair. Now in the beginning, what I should write? What we are going to write? Which letter we are going to write? Ch. Yes, CH. Write with teacher. CH AIR. Chair. CH AIR. Chair. Okay. Now next picture. Which picture is this? This is a sh for sheep. Very good. So here what I should write? What we are going to write over here? Sh. SH. Yes. SH. 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 SHIP. Sheep. SHIP. Sheep. Now come to next picture. Come on, recognize that. What is that? Which picture is this? This is a whistle. What? This is a whistle. So what we should write here? Come on, go to back page. This is 3434. Now go to page number 3333. What we are going to write here? Which letter we should write here? Tell me. Which digraphs we will write over here? Yes, WH. WH. WHISTLE. Whistle. While writing, you have to say and write. Okay. WHISTLE. Whistle. Okay. Now what is this? Yes, come on. We have learned this word. What is this? Chimpanzee. So here only chimp is there. Okay. So what will be the beginning letters? What we should write? Yes. CH. CHIMP. 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 Say and write. Now come to next picture, all of you. Look at to the board. What is this? Which picture is this? Use your logic. Observe neatly. What is this? Yes, this is a wheel. Now children, if you will see, if you will observe one thing, here whistle already we have written, and the name of this picture is wheel. So what we should write over here? Yes, very good. Right here WH double EL, wheel. Okay, come to this side. Yes, now tell me which picture is this? Yes, and what we should write here? This is a thorn. Yes, th. So beginning letters, what are the spelling of th? T-H. Right here, small letter T, H, T-H-O-R-N, thorn, T-H-O-R-N, thorn. Okay, next picture. Yes, what is this? You all are knowing. What is this? Phone. Phone. So, children, come to page number 3333 and tell me which letters we should write here. P. Yes, P-H. So, write here small letter P, small letter H, P-H-O-N-E, phone. Come to next picture. What is this? This is a photo. Very good. So, what we should write here? Phone, photo. Yes, right here. P-H-O-T-O, photo. Okay. Now, children, show me this. These are the fingers. Okay, these are the fingers. But what is this? This is thumb. Yes. So here what we should write? Two letters, beginning of the letters. Yes. What are those? Yes. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Yes. Now last picture. What is the name of this fish? Is this a land animal or water animal? Water animal. Very nice. But what is the name? Shark. Very good. So what we are going to write here? Sh. Here if you will see, this is a ship. So sound jo hai sh. Which letters we have written? S, H. Very good. So write here S, H, sh, S-H, A-R-K, shark. Okay. Now children, I hope till here you have completed. Now come to page number 3535. Okay. So children, if you will see, here also one practice sheet is there. Okay. And what is this? Fill in the correct sound. Children, if you will see, here already digraphs are given. Okay, already digraphs are given. Only we have to recognize it, and whichever digraphs is related to this picture, we are going to write over here. Okay, now you have to recognize, use your logic, observe neatly. Okay, tell me which picture is this? This is a what? Blocks. These are blocks, right? So if you will see here children, br, or bl, or money options. We have two options. Okay, from those options we are going to write here. Yes, just repeat after me. Fill in the correct sound. B-R, br, B-L, blur, br, blur. Okay, now these are the blocks. Okay, these are the blocks. So children, tell me, br will come here or blur will come here? What is the spelling of blocks? What? Yes, yes, very good. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. So write over here B-L, say and write B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. BLOCKS, blocks. Yes. Now come to next picture. It's looking like brain or block. Yes, this is a brain. So bra. So what we are going to write? BR, say and write all of you. BRAIN, brain. BRAIN, brain. Okay, this picture. This is one color. If you will see in this box, this is a color. So what is the name of this color, children? Is this related to bra or blah? Come on, read those words. Yes, brown or brown? Yes, this is related to bra digraph. So what is the spelling of brown? BROWN, brown. BROWN, brown. Yes. Come to next picture. What is this? Which picture is this, children? Yes, it is looking like a, okay, fine, bra and blur. Just tell me what relate here, which digraphs will relate here, blanket or a blanket? Yes, blanket. So write here BL. आपको सोचना है कि ये जो वोकैबुलरी है हम लोग जो बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ब्लैंकेट हो सकता है या फिर ब्लैंकेट हो सकता है. दिस वोकैबुलरीज यू नीड टू थिंक कि हम लोग यहाँ पे जो लेटर्स डायग्राफ्स लिखने वाले हैं वो करेक्ट वोकैबुलरी फॉर्म होने वाला है क्या? यू नीड टू थिंक दैट. ओके, राइट हियर BLANKET, blanket. BLANKET, blanket. Okay, next one more shade is there. Okay, can you see this shade? Can you see this color? So children, from this two digraphs, which digraph will suit over here? Which digraph will come here? Blue or blue? Yes, blue. So right here BLUE, blue. BLUE, blue. Okay, last picture. What is this? Yes, हम लोग घर में कलरिंग करते हैं, right? So with the help of this brush. Yes, so BR, BRUSH, brush. BRUSH, brush. Okay, now come to this side everyone. I hope you have completed all of you. Yes, now come to this side. Okay, now here again two options are there, kr or kl. Individually if you will see kr, and individually kr and together kr. Okay, next individually this will be kl and together kl. Okay, just repeat after me. CR kr, CL kl. Okay, now children, what is this? These are the crayons. Very good. Kr, crayons. Right here CRAYONS, crayons. CRAYONS, crayons. Next picture. What is this? Yes, is this a watch or clock? Use here, use this digraphs. Yes, clock. So read the spelling. CLOCK, clock. CLOCK, clock. Yes, next picture. Children, what is this? Is this a sky? Then, okay, fine. Is this which from these two diagrams, which diagram is related over here? Crowd or cloud? Yes, cloud. जब बादल को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? In English, what we call to बादल? जब रेन होता है ना, जब बारिश होती है, तो बादल आता है ना स्काई में, आकाश में क्या होता है? बादल आते हैं. तो what we call in English to the बादल? Yes. What? Cloud. So write here, C-L, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Next, what is this? This is a crab or crab? Crab. Crab. C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Okay, come to this picture. What is this? This is a crown or clown? Clown माने जोकर. तो इधर क्या आएगा? What will come here? Crown. Yes, crown. C-R. How we are going to pronounce it? How we are going to sound it? C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Okay. Next, हम लोग ये crown किसको डालते हैं? जो king होता है ना, उसको डालते हैं ना हम लोग. Yes. Come to last picture. What is this? Tell me. Is this looking dirty or clean? Clean. Very good. So what will come here? Clean or clean will come? Yes. Right here, C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Okay, have you completed over here? Children, I hope till here you have completed. Yes? Okay. So children, I hope till here you understood. Yes, today we solved 2 practice sheet. Fill in the blanks. Yes, and we have learned from the previous session, we have learned the sounds. Okay, so children, we have completed these 3 sounds. There are some more sounds which we are going to learn to the next session. Okay, so children, I hope you understand our today's practice sheet. So we are concluding over here. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.